Hi guys, I'm Stephanie with Crazy for Treasure. Today we are going to research vintage eyeglasses. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos come up, and comment about your finds in this category. Let's get going. I might butcher some of these names. They're designers and French or whatever, so just bear with me. Here we have Jacques Marie Mage Deland, number 116 of 250, rare dark brown tortoiseshell EUC, sold for $524 with 9 bids. Here we have vintage 40s acetate eyeglasses, frames, women's medium keyhole bridge, France, sold for $546 with 4 bids. Here we have rare vintage Bosch and Lam clear BCG GI USS 48 to 22, 4.5 to 5 3/4 eyeglass frames, sold for a best offer from $550. Here we have original Tarte optical Arnell eyeglasses, FDR, style, temples 44 to 23, sold for a best offer from $613. Here we have a rare vintage 1950s OTE Tarte optical brow line blue demi slash clear frame, 46, 5 3/4, 22, sold for a best offer from $620. Here we have vintage aviator sunglasses, Vietnam era by American Optical, 12K gold frames, sold for $626 with 15 bids. Here we have Kazel vintage eyeglasses, NOS model 325, COL 673, gold and mosaic green, sold for a best offer from $625. Here we have Tarte Optical Arnell 42 to 20, Flesh, rare eyeglasses, 1950, Johnny Depp, sold for $634. Here we have Cartier glasses, women vintage 14K gold, good condition, sold for $660 with 2 bids. Here we have rare vintage Chura eyeglasses, display and 2 pair of glasses, metal scroll work, sold for $649. Here we have rare authentic Came Manen brand, new eyeglasses, Japanese collector, wear, TRT/GLD, sold for a best offer from $680. Here we have Cazell vintage sunglasses, NOS model 871, COL 721, gold and black, sold for a best offer from $675. Here we have ultra rare Christian Dior by Tura enamel jeweled eyeglasses vintage turquoise, sold for $750. Here we have Christian Dior 2030 to 60 eyeglasses, frames, made Germany, rare vintage, Lady Gaga, sold for $860. Here we have vintage 50s FAOSA eyeglasses, rockabilly, Esquivel, Buddy Holly, eyewear, glasses, sold for a best offer from $850. Here we have 50s, 60s, vintage, FAOSA, sunglasses, Mexico, Mexican rock, Zafiro, sold for best offer from $900. Here we have new vintage Fred lunettes, Oregon, gold, bicolor, JJC 001, eyeglasses, 51 France, sold for $899. Here we have new vintage Mont Blanc, Meisterstruck eyeglasses, C, shiny, black and gold, 50 France, sold for $899. Here we have Hoffman genuine horn, luxury eyeglasses, oval, cat eye, frames, women, NOS, sold for $948. Here we have rare vintage Oliver Peoples round sunglasses, OP-LE T-P Japan, sold for best offer of $999. Here we have rare vintage 1950s Elsa Schiaparelli layered brown cat eye sunglasses, frames, NOS, sold for $1,136 with 41 bids. Here we have vintage FDR brown eyeglasses, frames, Tarte, 4622 USA, sold for a best offer from 1,500. Here we have authentic unisex Cartier Giverny 5222 140B Babinga wood eyeglasses, sold for a best offer from 1,700. Here we have vintage FDR black eyeglasses, frames, Tarte 4624 USA, sold for a best offer from $2,500.